How to enable or disable call alerts play tone when call connects on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button at the top. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we scroll down and tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. From here, tap on Play Tone when call connects. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Once this is switched on, the phone will play tone when call connects. And finally, tap on the home button at the bottom to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.